Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create project briefs within Asana, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started. First up is the creation of a new project. In Asana, navigate to the sidebar and click on the plus new button, then select project. Now, this is your first step because it's the foundation of your project brief. You're setting the stage for all the tasks, deadlines, and assignments to follow. Now that we've done that, it's time to add a project name and description. This helps us because it gives clear direction to your team from the get-go. You want to be concise but descriptive enough so that everyone understands what the project is about. Next up, we'll be setting the privacy settings. You can either make the project public to your whole team or private to select members. The reason we do this is to control who has access to the project and its details. Remember, privacy is key in project management. Once you've set the privacy, we move on to choosing a project template. Asana has a range of preset templates, so choose one that fits your project best. This step is important because these templates are designed to streamline the project setting process. They provide structure and help ensure that you don't miss any crucial steps. With the template in place, it's time to create sections. To do this, click on the Add Section button and name your section. This helps us because sections act as milestones or phases in your project. They help organize tasks and keep everything neatly categorized. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you create these sections, Asana is automatically generating a timeline for your project. This timeline will be a visual representation of your project's progress and deadlines. Finally, add tasks to each section. You can assign these tasks to team members, set deadlines, and add descriptions. The reason we do this is to delegate responsibilities and to keep everyone on track. Remember, a well-defined task is half done. And that's it. You've successfully created a project brief in Asana. To recap, you've initiated a new project, set its privacy, chosen a template, created sections, and assigned tasks. In conclusion, creating project briefs in Asana is all about clarity, organization, and delegation. It's about breaking down your project into manageable tasks and keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next video.